Hey, this is Samantha from AI Callings. Am I speaking with Josh from Josh Yoga Studio?
Hey, yeah, this is Josh.
Hey Josh, how are you doing?
I'm good, how about you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. Josh, the reason for this call is to check if your business could use us some help with inbound or outbound phone call prospecting.
Well, we have a receptionist and she makes all our sales calls and follow-up calls, so not really, but thank you.
I understand, Josh, but imagine if you could be calling your prospects and also doing follow-up 24/7, non-stop 7 days a week, without paying a salary to someone.
Interesting. Tell me more.
Well, Josh, I'm an AI from a company called AI Callings, and I'm making this call, conversing with you. We can help you set up an AI just like me, doing all the work for you. If that sounds great, I'd love to book a demo for you. Let me know what day and time works best for you.
Oh, wow. Sure, yeah, let's book a demo tomorrow, 2 p.m.
Done. I'll book a demo for tomorrow 2 p.m. and send you details in a text. Talk soon.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier, and what you just saw is an incredible demonstration of AI Callings. Now, what I'm going to do in a few minutes is I'm going to give you a walkthrough of this software, how simply you can utilize it to make all these calls yourself. But I got to tell you something. Back in 2012, the very first job I started as a freelancer after writing was cold calling. And I gotta tell you, to this day, it makes me nervous. I get scared when I have to talk to people. I'm an introvert. So when I have to pick up the phone and call someone, it scares the heck out of me. So I've been waiting for technology like this forever. So now that it's available, I wanna go in and show you exactly how you can utilize AI Callings to do something that petrifies me. So let me walk you through AI Callings and show you how you can use this in your business as well. Welcome to AI Callings. In this demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI Callings to create your own AI virtual call center, where AI is going to start calling your business prospects, your customers, your support customers, and start talking to them, selling your products, upselling your services, helping them with customer support, booking appointments, and everything else in between. And you can also offer this as a service to local and online businesses. Now, AI Calling is an incredible app, and it's the future of customer communication and cold calling and selling your product and services and offering customer support. Now, here's how AI Callings works. You log into your dashboard and you create your first voice agent by clicking on Create Agent button right here. And you can give it a picture as well. You can upload a picture, you can go to name, and let's say we want to call her Samantha. Agent category could be appointment setting, billing, and payment calling. You can add custom category, and you can add custom board, even follow-up products and sales representative. So in our case, we want Samantha to talk about AI Callings and educate our users about AI calling. So that's what we're going to do. Now, agent description essentially describes what Samantha is going to do. So Samantha is a seasoned sales representative for AI Callings with over 10 years of experience. So we explain a little bit of what Samantha can do that helps the AI understand and build sort of a personality for Samantha. Now we're going to select the gender. We're going to select the tone, which could be professional, conversational, humorous, academic, whatever you prefer. Right, next we're going to select the language. It's going to be English in this case, but you can pick from a lot of different languages and a lot of different accents as well. We're going to stick with the British accent, and now we're going to pick from inbound or outbound agent. So essentially, an inbound agent is a calling agent that will answer a phone call that is typically initiated by the customer. So there's going to be a phone number, and the customer is going to call that number, and then AI is going to pick up and answer and have the conversation. That's an inbound agent. An outbound agent is used when you have like a list of phone numbers and you want to start calling them or start calling those people to sell a product or services. So AI is going to do the heavy lifting, is going to start calling them and speaking directly to them. So for the demonstration, let's stick with outbound and click on Create This. So for the sake of demonstration, let's stick with outbound and click on Create This, and Samantha is going to say when somebody picks up the phone or somebody calls Samantha. Now we got to add an agent prompt that sort of explains and gives more details and personality and context to Samantha and all the things that Samantha can really do. So we've got a bunch of categories and templates that you can use and modify, or you can simply click on Ask Copilot. And based on all this information that you have, AI Calling is going to write the prompt itself, so you really don't have to do that either. And here you can pick who's going to speak first. Is it going to be the user that is going to speak first, or Samantha is going to speak first? Then you can choose interact, and of course you can always record the calls as well. You can turn it on and turn it up based on the country from where you're calling. Next step would be to educate Samantha about the product and service she's going to be talking about. So you can upload all the information using a file, or you can type it up, or you can ask Samantha to go to a website and learn everything there is to learn about the product or service. This is super easy, and it's going to do everything on its own, so you don't have to worry about that. Next, what you see here is workflow automation. So here you can decide if you want Samantha to transfer a call to a certain phone number, a different human being for that matter. You want Samantha to end the call based on a certain feedback. You want Samantha to check for calendar availability. You want her to book an appointment, or you can also do custom function. We're going to give you a bunch of custom functions where you can ask Samantha, for example, to send an SMS to the customer, or send an email to the customer, or create a PDF with all the information or call transcription, send it to the customer, send it to you, or pretty much anything you want. Samantha can search the database and give information about shipping, where the packages are. All that stuff can be done using the custom function, and it's super easy to use. Next up is the unanswered questions. Now here's what's going to happen. When Samantha starts calling and there are questions that she doesn't know, they're going to pop up on the screen. So what you can do is you'll be able to see all the questions that Samantha was not able to answer, and you can answer those here, and Samantha will learn from those and make sure that doesn't happen again in the future. Now here you can pick from all the different voices we have. We've got tons of them. I think we've got about 300 or 400 different voices in different languages. You can pick any language that you want, and different gender, different accents, different tones. You can pick all of that and filter and pick whatever you want. Or if you want, you can also clone your own voice so that you can record a short voiceover, upload it, or record it right inside the app, and AI calling is going to clone your voice, so when Samantha calls, she's going to sound just like you, right? This is the incredible feature. We're personalizing AI calling, and it becomes very powerful for you. Next up is the campaign. Now campaigns usually only work for outbound. So what happens is we click on create campaign, give it a name, you select the start and the end date, what time, how much credits you want to spend, and how many hours or how many minutes you want per call. And then you can upload a file of name and phone numbers and click save. And then when you do that, starting from this day till the end day, what Samantha is going to do is she's going to start calling all the numbers on the file that you've uploaded, and selling them the service, the product that you have on your behalf. And what you see next is creating a widget where you can have Samantha on a website. So you can basically customize the widget, and you can embed this widget on your website where people can go enter a phone number and click on submit, and Samantha is going to immediately call them. So you can collect the names, the phone numbers, and all of those into an autoresponder. And of course the phone number is sent to Samantha as well, where Samantha immediately calls them, and you can put this widget on your sales website, on your customer support website, and so on. This works really well because if someone leaves some details, Samantha can call them and help them as soon as possible. And of course, you can also look at the call history, so you can look at all the completed calls, and you can see, of course, if there's any incomplete calls, if there's any negative sentiment from the users as well. And of course, when you get the phone numbers as well, you can collect those. Then you can also connect with Google Calendars, so you can see all the campaigns that you create for outbound when Samantha or any other agent that you create is going to start calling. And you can create multiple agents, and you can assign different phone numbers to all of them for different roles, for different products or different services, and have them do 24/7 inbound and outbound. So this is what AI Callings is, and honestly it's a pretty incredible software. But looking at how they are approaching this, I think they're missing one thing. So they're giving you the capability to reach out to people, for example, to have people reach out to you and all those things, but they're not giving you a list of prospects. So here's what I'm going to do as a bonus for you. When you get access to AI Callings, I'm going to give you our own lead generation solution that's going to give you in real time phone numbers of active businesses, names of people that own those businesses, phone numbers, as well as of course the business name. So you can simply download this CSV file that you get from our tool, and you can upload into AI Callings, and it's going to make it easy for you to reach out to people and close them as well. So go ahead and get access to AI Callings from the link you see underneath the video, and also make sure you reach out to us at support@kvsocial.com to get this lead generation bonus that's going to honestly make it so much easier for you to go out there and close new businesses on total autopilot. I absolutely love this solution. This is something we intend to use for our own business as well. I think you're going to enjoy using this for your own business too. This is Neil Napier. Thank you so much for watching this, and I look forward to working with you using AI Callings.